Hello everyone, I'm Bharti Sawant, Fund Manager at Mirae Asset Investment Managers India Limited. I'm here to present on infrastructure. Infrastructure is a very wide story. It's a narrative for India's growth. The first thing that comes to anybody's mind when we talk about infra, because everybody talks a lot about the infra development. When we go, like I'm from Mumbai, I see Mumbai is forever under construction, so we only talk about infra with anybody who we meet. So what is the first thing that comes to our mind when we talk about infra? It is about roadways and railways because that accounts for the basic infrastructure. But infra is has a much more wider meaning. It is much more inclusive because the way we are moving towards digitalization, it is more inclusive to have the data infrastructure which will have its impact on the surrounding ancillary businesses. So for us, infra is all about having telecom infrastructure in place, to have the power infrastructure in place, because in today's world, nobody can live without power, not even for a second. It's all about having the right data infrastructure in place, which also includes your telecom, but also need to have data centers in place. Steel and cement are core to infrastructure growth, and hence that is also one important aspect. And when we talk about power, it means that you need to have an ecosystem to support that investment growth, which means your equipment manufacturers is equally very, very, very important. And lastly, the most important aspect, defense. And why we consider defense to be part of it? Because we are all talking about national security. We know what happened. So given globally, we are seeing a lot of uncertainties. In that scenario, we need to have national security in place, and hence defense is a very important aspect. So to sum it up, infrastructure means in the sectors that it includes is telecom, capital goods, defense, data centers, electronic manufacturing, because manufacturing is important, your steel and cement, your power infrastructure, everything. So I think we are at the cusp of growth in the infrastructure space because government has just started its initiatives, its investments into the space, and hence we feel that it seems to be the right time to invest into the space and to be part of the Viksit Bharat 2047. Thank you.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.